Hi, welcome back to the Starting with Almendra series. I hope you're having a great day. This is the second video in the series on how to create a flexible meal plan. In the previous video, we looked at how to set calorie goals for each model day, the day with exercise and the day without. We assigned 2,000 calories to the day with exercise and 1,500 calories to the day without exercise. In this video, we're going to cover how to select the foods for this meal plan. Click Next, and we're now on the food selection screen. On the left, we see the meal plan name, the days and action buttons that let you clear the day, copy to all days, or copy from one day to another. You can also switch between days here. On the right, there's a table showing the current amount of calories and macronutrients relative to the goal. You can also view this in a chart for the selected day, in this case, the non-exercise day. The weekly summary appears empty since we haven't added any foods yet. First, we need to click the green Add Meal button and choose the meal we want to add. Let's start with breakfast, say at 7 a.m. Click to confirm, and you'll see the following: the name of the meal, breakfast, the time, a button to delete it, and another to add a comment. Below, we have the food search, and on the left, we see Group 1. One of the key features of a flexible meal plan is that meals are made up of different groups, usually equivalents, like fruits, vegetables, dairy, fats, etc. It's recommended to have pre-created food groups to add to the plan. To add equivalents, simply click here and select Equivalents. To add a list of equivalents, click Add Equivalent Group. In this case, we already have a fruit equivalent group with a brief description stating that this group contains various fruits and their equivalents. For example, 1 cup of mango is equivalent to 1 cup of strawberries or 1 of bananas. In this field, we can edit the amount we want to add. If we want the patient to have less than a full cup of mango, strawberry, or banana, we can enter 50%, and it will show as half cup of mango, strawberry, and banana. Let's just keep it at a 100%, meaning 1 cup. It's important to note that the presence of these 3 foods doesn't mean the patient has to eat all 3, but rather one of them. For example, the patient will consume a cup of mango, or of strawberry, or of banana. If we want the patient to consume 2 or more foods from this group, we can specify consume at least 2 of these foods, and this will show in the plan. We can also add other food groups to breakfast. In this case, we only have the fruit group, but other groups like dairy, fats, and vegetables could be added. Remember, you can check and edit all of your equivalence groups in the Equivalence section, located on the sidebar. Additionally, we can add foods directly, without groups. For example, we could add a handful of blueberries to the fruit group, which means that the patient could also choose the blueberries instead of the mango, strawberry, or banana. This process is the same for other meals. We create breakfast, then add a mid-morning snack at 10 a.m., and so on. If we want breakfast to be the same on both the exercise and non-exercise days, we can copy it to all days from the Actions button and select Copy to all days. This way, if we switch to the exercise day, we'll see the same breakfast as on the non-exercise day. You can then edit each day accordingly. It's worth noting that as we add foods or food groups, the table updates automatically, so there's no need for manual calculations. This also appears in the chart, comparing current calories to the goal and calculating any deficit or surplus, along with a weekly summary. In this case, the numbers are the same because we copied the non-exercise day to the exercise day. Finally, it's important to understand that the chart on the right doesn't represent the sum of these foods, but rather the average for each group. This is because it doesn't mean the patient will consume a cup of mango, strawberry, and banana, but one of the 3. Therefore, it calculates the average of the 3 to provide an approximate estimate of macronutrients and calories. You can also see the micronutrients by clicking this button. Then there are buttons for Nutrients by Meal and Nutrients by Day. If we select by day, we'll see both macronutrients and micronutrients. This is the basic process for creating a flexible meal plan. Just add your meals, add your groups, and done. A super fast way to do it is to build just one day, then copy it to the other days and edit each of those however you prefer. I hope you have a productive day, and if you found this video valuable, please share it with your colleagues. See you in the next video.